can even just snatch this on inside your car, even outside, even in the street. Your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. My name is Chelsea, to my OGs. So today is a wig review. Oh guys, this week, this week you guys are going to like it. I'm just like, I'm so excited about this week. You guys are going to see why. But let me tell you guys about the wig. The wig is from ELFIN hair. Packed here, and let's bring the wig out. Okay, there are some goodies inside. Came with invisible HD wig cap. So there's two inside. This should be a bonnet. Okay, a bonnet. Came with a bonnet. Okay, edge brush. You guys know this tape, fashion show tape. It's not the first time I'm revealing their wigs because I like them. That is why. If you ask me, I like them. That is why. Let me just tell you guys about the wig. Let me open my phone, okay? The wig is glueless and it's pre-braided. You know when they braid your wig for you already? Hey! I know the struggle because there's a wig I reviewed. I braided it myself, the front. I know the struggle, but when they braid it for you, hey, that stress. Thank you, ELFIN hair. And it's HD lace wig is ready go pre-bleached, invisible knots, deep waves. Did you hear that? Hey, it's invisible lace. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, braided. That's what else do you want? What else do you want? Anyway guys, if you need this wig, all information will be on the description box. You guys know how we rock, you guys know how we do it. So just dash to the description box and you will see the link. If there's any discount code, you guys know it will be on the description box, or I will still display it on the screen. Okay, so watch out for that. You guys can see something behind there. Guys, you guys can see it. Yes, it's there. It's there. It is you that made it possible. Thank you. I really appreciate you that is watching me. You that have been there for me. I appreciate. Thank you so much. I am grateful. Okay, guys, it came with inbuilt okay, like this. It came with detachable adjustable strap. You guys can see some combs here, and at the back there's silicone at the back. This will protect the under of your head so that it doesn't inch you. I like that. Use elastic to hold it. Okay, I love it. So let me pop it on. So guys, this is it on. It came with baby hair. Yes, you can see I'm just going to slay this baby hair. Oh, I really like this. You can see the wave. You can just like use your hand to like break it out, okay, and to make it more fuller. Just do it this way. Okay, just break out the coils like this to make it more fuller. So I'm just going to like slay my baby hair, just my baby hair. I'm going to use little gel. Guys, that's it. I'm just going to use a bronzer to touch this place so that it can blend very well on my skin. That's all you need to. You guys know it's glueless. Okay, just like that. You guys can see that. Then use it to touch these other places that are kind of white. So I'll use my hair mousse on it to smoothie the, see, you can see some flying hairs, so I just want to smoothen that. That's why I'm using this. Then I'll apply it on the hair as well. So guys, that is it for this hair from ELFIN Hair, this braided wig. It's life-saving, it's very easy. If you've been struggling to like braid your wig, ELFIN Hair got your back. Okay, they got your back. I really love this wig, and you guys saw that I did not waste time. If you're in a hurry, you can even just snatch this on inside your car, even outside, even in the street, you can just snatch this on and you are good to go. So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, all links, all info will be on the description box, so if you are interested, check it out. The hair did not shed. I tried to like drag it, so it did not shed. And once you put your hair mousse or your cream, it's going to like be fuller. You guys saw this, you see, it's more fuller. Okay, immediately I apply my hair mousse on it. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.